welcome back to Visionaries Auto. It's your girl Salom here, but today I'm a little bit drained, so most probably my energy won't match the everyday energy. But you know what? Nothing stops reggae. We still have to get the work done. So today, guys, I'm here to talk about one of the legend SUVs in the history of BMW. So if you take a look at this car, this is a BMW X5 F15. So guys, this car was actually released in 2013, and when it was released, it caught an eye of a lot of car enthusiasts worldwide. So as I've told you guys, this is a BMW X5 F15. So some of you will be asking, are we talking about the same X15? Well, a little modifications were done on this one. Now it has been upgraded to a G05 M-Tech, right? So we have some stuff that we had to modify. For example, one of the things that is very vivid is this grille. The grille definitely has been upgraded. If you check the F15, it has some fog lights, but then this one, it was changed. The front bumper, definitely, it was upgraded. And let's come and I show you the side view of this car. Come along. Side view, you can see we also changed the fenders. Definitely, they have to be changed. And when the fenders are changed, which means the wheel flare also has to be changed. Not only that, we also have the side skirts here. So these side skirts, they have to be also put on it, because this one now is an M-Tech. So the side skirts, just as usual, they add the sportiness, they also widen the car. But then guys, there's something that I noticed. Most probably you didn't notice it, but then come and take a look at the interior of this car. It is not changed. For me personally, I would want to change it, but then the car owner, I'm sure later on they would also want to upgrade it. So if you have your own and you want to upgrade the interior, definitely you can contact us. We also have the rear part. The rear part is as important as the front and the side. So come along, let's take a look at the rear part. At the rear end, well, take a look at this part, guys. If you take a closer look, it was cut. Man, seeing this car being cut, my heart was breaking. But then to achieve these aesthetics, some measurements has to be taken. Okay, so here you have to cut here so that the back will actually fit the G05, and then the wheel flares, like I told you. So coming to this part, this is the rear bumper. The rear bumper also was changed, and we're talking about M-Tech, so we're talking about sportiness. The rear spoiler has to be added. Not only that, also these lights have been added. Take a look at this exhaust pipe. So this one is a dual one, you can see. Dual one, dual this side, and also the other side, it's also a dual one. So it's 4 pipes, right? So guys, this is how the G05 came out. So if you have a heart that never ages, definitely you would want to give your old car a new life. So if that's what you're looking for, this body kit is the way to go. So guys, this was my story today about an F15 being upgraded to a G05. Guys, if you like this kind of modifications, let me know in the comment section. If you have your own car that you want us to modify, or you want to purchase a body kit from us, you can let me know in the comment section. So till then, guys, you know how we go about it. Elevate your drive, define your style.